Fed up with the messy format of Excel spreadsheets after PDF conversion? It doesn't matter. One trick will teach you to say goodbye to messy format ultimately and realize automatic conversion processing. First, open the Make platform, then click Create a new scenario. Rename it, because we will use Google Drive for this example, so we need to upload the converted PDF document to Google Drive. First, add a folder in Google Drive and name it AI PDF to Excel. Then open the folder and upload the PDF document to this folder. Then return to the Make platform. Select Google Drive. Then select Download a file. Select the file you just uploaded. Click Save. Then click Add ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Select PDF to Excel, create a task. Here you need to fill in the license key to connect to ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Open the ComPDF API dashboard page. Click API keys to copy your license directly. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free ComPDF API account and get the right to process 1,000 documents per month for free. Or you can click Create New Project to create a new license directly. Return to the Make platform, fill in the license and save. Click Next, upload a file. Here you need to set some simple parameters to achieve better conversion results. Go to the ComPDF API reference page. Find PDF to Excel. You can directly copy the parameter code here. Here is an explanation of each parameter and the meaning of different settings. For example, the first parameter is what do you need to extract? 1 means extract only the text in the PDF. 2 means extract only the table in the PDF. 3 means extract all content. Here we will set the parameter to 2. The second parameter is the option to create a worksheet. 1 means each table in the PDF will be a separate worksheet. 2 means the table on each page in the PDF will be placed in one worksheet. 3 means all the tables in the PDF will be extracted into one worksheet. Here, we will talk about setting the parameter to 1. There are some other parameters to set and choose, whether to include comments, whether to include pictures, whether to enable OCR, whether to keep the picture background after enabling OCR, whether to enable AI table recognition, etc. 1 means yes, 0 means no. Paste the parameter code after returning to Make. After setting the required parameters, other parameter options can be chosen to keep the default options. You can also delete them like I did. Save. Then proceed to the next step. Start a task. After completion, select Repeater in Flow Control to repeat the next step to ensure the acquisition of the target file. Next, get file information. Then select Router in Flow Control. Build 2 routes, tools, and HTTP. The former means that when the target file is not generated, it returns to reacquire the file information. Therefore, when setting up a filter, you need to select Does Not Exist. The latter means that when the target file has been generated, the target file URL is returned. Therefore, when setting up a filter, you need to select Exist. After HTTP, we select Google Drive, upload a file again to save our target document. and select a specific folder as the save path. Then select JSON, parse JSON, and enter a simple command. Click Save. Finally, right-click the mouse. Select Add Error Handler. Commit to end the whole process. Finally, click Run once to start the automated processing process. When it becomes 1 here, it means that the target file has been generated. Open Google Drive. You will find the result file there. Click Download. Open. No formatting is lost.